Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. And you have to start by remove the old ear tips. Let's get started with the left one. Now let's move to the right one. So it's really simple process. Now select new ear tip size. I'm going with this one. And after that attach it. Here we go, and now the right one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!